We are back.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who do not know me, my name is Rhea and we're back with this look. So without further ado, let's do this. So guys, I'm going to be doing my brows off camera. If you do want a brow tutorial, please let me know on the comments below and I will do it. But just for the sake of time, I will be doing my brows and I will be back. So I've already done my brows off camera and I want to do my transitional color so that I'm able to blend the LA Girls shadows. As you will see, they are very bright. See? So I need something that is going to warm my skin tone. So I'm just going to put a bit of orange right here. I'm going to use this brush. I've already used it before. I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty and I just need to use the orange and the light orange and then the brown just to make it nice and smoky before I put the wonderful colors. Okie dokie. Look at that blend. Go to the other eye. Then I'm going to go to my Kylie palette using this brush. Then get this nice purple there all over. So guys, since it's locked down, let me know what you've been getting up to. If you're still at home and you're not working, what keeps you sane? Let me know so that we can share ideas. I just want to see what you guys are doing. So then I'm going to go back to my Huda Beauty and then I'm going to use this brown here and then just put it all over so that it just darkens. I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use this. Oh, it looks like that. ESB01. I'm going to cut my crease just on top of my crease, just about here. Then I look up and then that shows my line, what I should follow for my cut crease. And I just keep on doing that, looking up. Look at that. Then I go again over here. I want my cut crease to go a little bit to be open here, so I'm going to just move it this way.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again.
Okay, this is how it looks. So I am going to try these out. It's the LA Girl Wanderlust eyeshadow palette, as well as I want to use this Island Hottie blush palette that I also got from Discam. It is 165 Rand. They both are. And this is how it comes in. I just want to show you the packaging. It comes in the sleek, smooth finish. And this is how the eyeshadow looks like. There we go. So we have, which I am actually going to swatch for you, we have like a white gold and a more champagne gold. Then we have a mauvey pink that's matte, an icy mint and a darker mint with green hues, a bit of purple there, a salmon. Yeah, that looks like a salmon, and a turquoise. We've got navy blue shade, like a guava, and a darker brown, as well as this looks white, but it actually is. It's got a shade of purple and silver in them. So let's see what's happening in here. I'm gonna swatch them across like that. Please mind my hairy arms. I mean, this is what God gave us. Okay, I'm gonna put one there, one there, one there, one there, one there.
Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in. Say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in. Say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in. Say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead.
Okay, so guys, this has so much pigment. I just want you to see that. Oh, this is an iridescent purple shade. I don't know if you can see that. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful green, and I think these colors I'm going to use more often. I really am. So let's see what I can do with these colors. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to mix 1, 2, and 3, and this at the end, and see what I can create here. So I'm going to take the first white gold eyeshadow I showed you, and I want to put it in my inner corners, like there. Okay, then I'm going to go for the champagne color, and I just want to add it there, right next to it. There we go. Then I'm going to put that minty green that I was crazy about just at the end. Douse it. See that? Douse it. I just want to tie it in, right? And I'm going to use a little bit of that blue to mix with the purple and there, and just lightly dab a bit. See? Oh, look at what it creates at the end, like that. And then now I'm just going to put in my foundation, concealer, and then I will be back. So we are back, and I look like a ghost, but it's fine. I'm just baking. I just want to remove my forehead because I don't bake my forehead for so long, and my under eyes. And then I'm going to leave that there because every time when I smile, if I don't bake, I've got lines there. So. These are the 4 shades. There we go. These are more highlighters than blushes. So let me just swatch them for you so that you can see. This is how they look. It's a bit too bright there, but... And they do actually have shimmer. I don't know if you can see that. This is more highlighter than blush. I'm going to take my fat brush. This is my blush brush. And I'm going to mix these shades. These 3 shades. 1, 2, and 3. I don't know how I feel about them. I'm not a fan of these blushes at all. I think I'll only use them as a topper. Never mind that. I'm just breaking out. Makeup rule: don't put highlighter on your pimples because they will be highlighted. But I mean, I don't have a choice, so they're right there. Okay guys, so I've already highlighted. I am going to finish off my look setting my brows, putting my eyeliner and eyelashes, and doing my lips, and then I will show you how this look turned out.